Hey everyone, this is Aaron from ARD Cruising, and in this video I am going to show you how to get a casino comp with Princess Cruise Lines using your current offers if you have one from Royal Caribbean or Carnival. If you've recently been on Royal Caribbean or Carnival and have gotten an instant certificate, those will work as proof for Princess. Other options are if you've gotten mail offers from Carnival, you can use those as well, or offers from Royal Caribbean. As long as you're showing Princess that you have been receiving casino offers from other cruise lines and what level they are. You can take a quick screenshot, use your phone. If you have a screenshot tool on your computer, whatever it is, any way you can get proof. Always look to see what your best offers are. So like here I've got two from Carnival, one that is a balcony, one that is a suite. I'm going to send the suite one to Princess Cruise because I want to put my best foot forward when trying to get that first initial casino comp cruise. Okay, once you have all of the information you need, then you're going to come to the Princess website. This is simplyprincess.com. Then you're going to go to Deals, Casino Perks and Discounts. Scroll down. Keep scrolling, keep scrolling. It's a long website. A lot of information, a lot of details until you see tier match. You may be eligible for great deals, including free or discounted cruises. Help us get to know you. You can go through the terms and conditions here, and then you can sign up now. Very simple. First and last name, email, phone number, country. I didn't have a referral code and anything with that. I had never sailed with Princess before, so that was a no. And then do you have a casino offer with you? And yes, this is what we were talking about, finding any offers you have, screenshots, pictures, whatever you have that you can send to them. Do this, but this will be on the website. So you upload the front side of the casino offer and then upload the back side of the casino offer. You may upload just one side if you prefer. So if you have received the instant offer from, say, Carnival, where it opens up and it has two sides to it, you can do both. But if you just took a screenshot off of the website, if you've gotten one from Royal Caribbean where they only have the one page they printed out for you, you're only going to use the top one. Once you fill that out, you're going to hit sign up. And then they'll send a notification to you that they'll get back to you once they've reviewed your offer. Okay, within a week or two, you're going to receive an email from the Princess Cruises casino team with either this or you didn't get approved. More than likely, they're going to want you on the cruises, so you're going to get something like this. So you see, congratulations, you qualify for a free mini suite cabin. We go to Princess Cruise. Basically, you go find the one you want. You have 30 days from the date you submitted the request to book and 1 year from the date you have submitted the request to sail. So make sure you know which cruise you want to take before you do this, just because of the timeline, and make sure it's within a year of when you first submit the request. It will have some blackout dates, holidays, as would be expected with any other cruise line, but simply find the cruise you want and then reply back to the person who sends you the email offer. So I went to the Princess website and I found the cruise I wanted to take. I took a screenshot of it. You can see here. I even went all the way in and looked at the available cabins. They told me I were getting a mini suite, so I picked one out that I wanted. So this is a simple email I replied. Hello, sir. I wanted to see if it's possible to book the following cruise with this cabin. And by the next day, my cruise was booked. The details are up a little bit on the email. I'm not going to show them because it has my membership number and everything, but the booking number was there. The cabin was approved, so I actually got the cabin I wanted and everything. It was that simple. So if you want a casino match comp cruise with Princess Cruise, just follow those steps. It's that easy. I hope you liked the video. I hope you found it informative. I hope that helped you. And I hope you get to go on Princess Cruise now using other casino offers. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe below. I appreciate you for watching. And until the next video, happy cruising!